The exhaust sounds good, don't get me wrong. This is a really good sounding exhaust. The Gretty Evo GT catback, that's it. But my issue is that there is way too much drone in this car right now. When you're driving on the highway, that's when you get this really loud, like booming sound. If I was 10 years younger, I'd be perfectly happy with this exhaust. I really like how the tone sounds. It's just the drone on highway speeds it's too loud, I'm sorry. All right, so here's the thing about me. I love exhausts and I love loud cars, but I hate drone. So with the GTR, because there's two turbos, it quiets the car down quite a bit. It's like two mufflers essentially. It's quiet when I'm just cruising around and I can be loud when I want to just by flooring it. Whereas this car, it drones all the time and there's no way around it. Sorry, it drones all the time, but it sounds really good. So I picked up the HKS Spec L2 and Catless Unequal Length Headers. Tomei Catless Unequal Length Headers. So I'm gonna go get that installed today. I'm so curious to see how it's gonna sound. All right, well, there's traffic, so catch it in the next clip. Like, what the is that noise, bro? Like, that needs to go. That needs to, whatever that is, I gotta fix that. That's so annoying to drive with. Like, what? Ugh, all right. Old exhaust is off. Headers and HKS. Yeah, it's way too loud. Too drony. But this will be nice. Stock headers are out. Oh man. Headers are almost on. Damn. I can't wait to hear how that sounds. Almost done. Alright, just flashing the car now. Everything's done. As soon as this is done, let's see how it sounds. Good. Woohoo! All right, I think I'm super happy about this. Let's go take it for a drive.
8:01 p.m. 1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, we're back. I'm using my action cam because it does have good low light settings, so hopefully this is nice and clear for y'all. All right, we're getting back into the video. So I've had the exhaust on for about five days. My honest take on this setup. So, sounds good. No drone, but it can be louder. And I think I want it to be louder. So, that rumble is really good. I'm super happy with that rumble. But inside, there's no drone at all, which I think is my favorite part of this exhaust setup. So, I'm thinking of going like a catted front pipe, and that's it, because I don't want to go full catless, because I don't want to smell. Next step will be a Burke catted front pipe, 200 cell. It's quiet when I'm cruising around like this, but when I step on it, it's loud. It's not too loud either. But I feel like it can use just a little bit more noise. That's it. But it does sound really good. I can't lie. That sounds disgusting. What the? Ew. The Catless Tomei unequal headers. Perfect. HKS perfect. Maybe if it was the Spec L, not the Spec L2, it would have been better. But this exhaust is super quiet. I'm pretty sure it's just like stock if I was to not do the headers. But honestly, such a good exhaust. Like, tone. There's no smell at all, even though it's catless. There is a cat in the front pipe still, so that's why I want to stick with the catted front pipe, and I should be good. I thought about the HKS dual resonated, but I think catless would be too much of a smell, and I already have one car that smells like, it makes my clothes smell like gas and fumes, and I don't like that. But I don't regret it because the GTR sounds amazing. Anyways, back to this car. Like, it's perfect. It's perfect. The tone is good, but a little bit louder and no rasp would be, I think, the perfect exhaust setup for this platform. I'm happy with how this car is coming along because the no drone, I think, was the biggest thing for me, and the fact that there's little to none in this car. 10 out of 10, would recommend this if you want something a bit more tame, but still loud when you step on it. It does sound really good. Like that rumble, the Subi rumble, reminds me of my old STI. Thank you so much for watching another video. I appreciate it. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one. In 2 weeks, I'm actually taking this car on the same toge run I did with my GTR. And I'm so excited to see how this will do. That guy's speeding in the Tesla. This car is getting better and better every time I'm on it. Drive safe.